All right, we're here with Coach Taylor Cudequest, the head of the Slippery Rock Last Chance. Coach, coming off a big meet at Shippensburg, you had lots of people competing. How can you kind of compare last weekend to this weekend?
Well, last weekend was probably one of our last competitive meets before going into conference, and we had some pretty good performances at that meet. Burns Akina broke the school record in the 400 meters. Anna Elder broke the school record in the hammer, so it was a very, very good meet. We had a couple conference qualifiers. Madison Doran in the long jump hit that auto qualifier. That was really good. And this upcoming meet at Slippery Rock is more of like a last chance meet. So it's more for those athletes who haven't gotten into the conference yet and are just looking for that last minute mark or just trying to push themselves and get ready for conference, basically.
And who might some of those athletes be that are really close, that are on that edge, that might push themselves across the line here at Slippery Rock?
Landon Chalmers in the shot put is pretty close. Avon Roos is pretty close in the 400 meters. He's like 4/100ths away from the auto qualifier. So, yeah.
How do you, at this time of year, kind of balance that rest and getting ready for conference with, pushing people across the line? Maybe they've qualified in some events and they're looking for another. How do you balance rest versus, competition there?
It's hard because people are trying to like get antsy. Like they're like, I want to do stuff at practice, but it's like, no, we're tapering right now. And, we're trying to get ready for a big meet. So I try to keep everybody kind of relaxed. We do like pool workouts. We try to keep everything, lighter, less impact on the body. And just get them geared up, ready to go.
All right. Thanks, Coach. Good luck this weekend.
Thank you.